Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making glass noodles beef stir fry. This is not the most famous dish, guys. Once you try it, you'll be wanting to come back for more and more. Maybe you have come across these noodles in a dish in a restaurant before and just wasn't sure what were they or made of. These noodles can be found in Asian stores and they are very affordable. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. So let's start by preparing the noodles. In a deep bowl, fill with warm water, then add the noodles to the water and soak for 10 to 30 minutes until it becomes opaque. Guys, you might be wondering, what are glass noodles? Glass noodles are made from mung beans, which are made from bean sprouts. Some are made from mung beans and others are made from mung bean flour. So the ones I'm using today, they are made from the bean sprouts. We're gonna set the noodles aside, then move on to work on our beef strips. I'm using flank steak, guys, and on my stove I have boiling water. I'm gonna add the beef strips into the water and blanch for 2 minutes. Remove the steak and set aside. Now let's move on to work on the stir fry sauce. In a medium bowl, combine soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce. We are also adding ginger along with minced garlic, add cornstarch. We are also adding in brown sugar, give it a good stir. Then we're gonna add red pepper flakes, mix well and set aside. Next, we are going to cook the beef stir fry in a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Stir fry beef in 1 tablespoon of oil until slightly browned. Cook for 2 minutes. Add red onions and bell peppers. Cook for 1 minute until just tender. Next, pour the sauce over the steak mixture and bring to a simmer. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until sauce has just thickened. Add green onions and cook for another 30 seconds. Add glass noodles, mix well and serve. You can mix with tongs or you can use a pasta fork. It's just me and my spoon. I like to use this spoon when I mix these, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.